Hey, what's good, YouTube? Man, I've been having this box in my possession for about 4 or 5 days now, and I haven't unboxed it. I've been wanting to just open it up and just look at it, but I didn't want to do it without the camera. I didn't want to do it without you guys looking at it, and I've been real busy, so I wanted to get it on camera. So right now I got some time to do this, and really mainly what was pulling me off was just the on feet, because I want to give you guys an on feet. And I was like, man, I ain't got no time for on feet right now. And but now let me do this. Let me open this box. Let me show it to you, and let me give you the on feet, and let me tell you a little bit more, because I think this was a good deal. This is a rare sneaker, a rare kick. Wasn't much of a big, huge collabo, but it is rare. There aren't many out there, and there is some on eBay. This is where I got mine from. I paid $49.99 with an $8 shipping, and with taxes and everything came out to be like $62 and some change. So those who watching this, I wanted to tell y'all, hey, you know, matter of fact, let's unbox this, and as I'm going through it, I'll show you guys, or I'll tell you guys a little bit about it, the name of the seller and stuff like that, see what sizes he got left, and hopefully it'll be one of your sizes, you know, in case if you want to get you one. But let's take a look at these. So dude actually packed these pretty professional compared to other guys who'll be sending me shoes and stuff. Y'all seen some. The only ones that are truly professional are like, you know, stores, like actual stores. And this dude was he's just an eBay seller. Let's see how he did inside. Man, come on. Let me do it like this. Look at that. Way easier. Okay, so it's just a box inside a box, no padding, no nothing, and I still give him A1 shipping because he used the right box, that this box ain't gonna be jumping around in here too much. So let's take a look at the shoes. It says, hold up. It says 96 bait. These are the Grand Hills. My size 10. I don't know what that say up there on top. That's probably from the original store they came from. But yeah, check this out. It's hard to see. You gotta look at this like at an angle. It says 96, the next chapter, bait, and Fila. Right here you got bait. It says superior quality goods, MFG Comp International since 2011. Fila. It says 96 in the bottom. Let's open them up and look at them together. Alright, look at that. So you got bait, tissue paper. This is kind of like a wax type of paper. Pretty nice. Ooh, look at that. Alright, let's take a look at these. Let's pull them both out before we start just looking at them. Alright, so let me put the box up. Alright, let's take a look at the kicks, man. This is what we came for. They got the tag still on it. The only difference I see, like really from this model, would be, of course, like right here, it doesn't have the Fila logo. So you got this red, kind of maroonish, translucent outsole. Man, it's nice. Got the Fila logo. Everything I guess is the same from the original 96 from down here. But you got this, man, soft outsole. I've never had a pair of 96s, so I don't know what the difference. But all this here is like some kind of nubuck. All the gray up here is nubuck. The black is also nubuck all the way around. So the inside is like some kind of I don't know what this is. It's kind of like some kind of synthetic leather. That might not be too good because I recently bought some Nikes, what they call the Air Crews, and the inside of those Air Crews is about the same thing. And as you're putting them on, kind of like creates friction with your socks, so it's hard to put your foot in here unless I guess you unlace the whole thing, and then you can put your foot in there smoothly. But yeah, that's one thing I noticed. So I'm not a big fan of leather inside padding or whatever, or even synthetic leather. Anything but like cotton lining would be a no for me. But anyway, let's take a look at this. You got the bait tag right there. The back says 96. Stuff that inside right quick. So let's look at the shoe. Like I said, this is all nubuck, but you got leather in the back. I don't know if it's authentic, genuine leather, but anyway, it's leather. So you got the pull tabs made out of leather, and also this strap right here that say bait. This is the collab company. Oh, look at that. Say Fila on the inside. I don't know what the original ones look like. Do the original ones say anything inside? Or I don't remember what they say on the outside. Must just say Fila or something. But there go the strap. And you got the little metal ring right there where you pull right through. So let's close this back up. Alright, so yeah, again, this doesn't have the Fila logo on the lateral side, but I mean, it's evident that it's a Fila shoe. Also, it don't have anything on the tongue, but still, I mean, it's a special collab. You got the Fila in the bottom, the nice, soft, real soft midsole. That's nice. Let's take a look at the inside. Pull this out, and check this out. Oh man, the inside's alright. So the inside. The insole is somewhat like a synthetic leather type of deal. That's pretty amazing, I guess. That's pretty impressive. I'll get you guys some B-roll shot like that. Let me move this trash out the way. But yeah, man, this is pretty impressive. They don't feel soft though. They're not soft, they're not squishy, they're not like memory foam, nothing. It's just, I guess, like you would be walking, I guess, on a piece of leather or something. But pretty impressive though. Let's keep it moving, man. I'm gonna leave this out for now. So you guys wanna look at the tag? Yeah, I do. Look at that. So I'll get some up close for you so you can see what that say. And there's another tag down in there. It's like a QR scan type of tag somewhere down in there. I probably won't try to show you that. There ain't nothing much to it. But yeah, man, this is the Fila 96 Grant Hill / bait collab. That's that. These are my Fila 96's bait collab. And let me tell you where I got them from. Let's go to the phone right quick and I'm gonna show y'all the price. So okay, I paid $49.99 plus an $8 shipping, and the taxes came out to be $62.77, and it's from a seller. I'm gonna show y'all the seller, and let's go in here together so you guys can see which sizes he got left. So that's his name up there on top, right under where it says profile. There's a ACEC201283. So if we go on there, let me search within there. I'm gonna just put bait. Alright, so this is what he got left. Man, he got some other nice kicks. So he got another size 10 just like mine. And it's also $49.99. $8 shipping where I'm at. I'm in Texas. I don't know how much the shipping will be for you. But so you got somebody watching this. So y'all should act fast. So he got another size 10. I thought he had another size. I went through his page. You got other bait stuff. But we didn't come for that. We came for the 96s. Man, he did have other sizes. I guess he's been selling them. Let's see. He had at least about another good 3 pairs or so. And now he just doesn't have but one, size 10. I remember seeing different sizes. And like I said, I've been having these in my possession for about 4 days. I ordered them maybe like 4 days before that. So when I took a look, he had a lot of sizes in them. So let's get into the on foot.